friends. My name is Avinash Ananda, and today I'm going to talk to you about three types of listening. The first type of listening is called critical listening. See, critical listening is listening to understand something, listening to process information. If you want to analyze something, you want to understand it better, you want to go deeper, that's called critical listening. The second type of listening is called listening for recall. See, what's the point if you listen to somebody but you don't remember what they said? So we need to listen and we need to remember what we heard before. So, for example, if you listen to a teacher talking and you have to remember that to write an exam, that's listening for recall. Listening for recall is also helpful in business situations. Listening for recall is very important to show that you care for somebody. Somebody tells you something, the name of their child or their own name, and you forgot their name. What's the point of listening? The third type of listening is non directive listening. Non directive listening means when you listen to somebody and you encourage them with certain fillers. So, for example, if they're talking to you, you say, uh huh, mm-hmm. Oh, I see. Really? Oh, that's amazing. Really? Wow. I'm exaggerating a little bit, giving it dramatic effects so that you recall it. But the point is that listening to show that you're listening. If somebody talks to you and you're busy on your phone and you don't even look at them, and they said, "Did you hear me?" So, of course, I heard you. How do I know? You have to give feedback. So, that feedback about listening can be given by this third type of listening, which is called non directive listening. Remember, these three types of listening: listening to understand, which is critical listening to remember, which is listening for recall, and non directive listening, which is listening to show that you have listened so that they can go on to something else. Otherwise, they will keep repeating themselves because they don't know whether you listened or not. Listening is one of the most important skills for any human being and especially leaders to develop. LISTEN happens when internally you are SILENT. Reach a level of silence within so that your mind is not preoccupied with the past or preoccupied with the future, so you can be completely in the present moment to truly listen. Thank you.